Why can't we?
Simply put, space is huge. Our very closest star, other than the Sun, is over 4 light-years away, and would take over 80,000 years to reach, even if you were moving at the speed of the NASA Voyager spacecraft, which moves at 37,000 miles per hour. Even if we somehow found a way for people to travel at the speed of light, our very closest celestial neighbors would simply be too far away for us to reach in a practical time frame.
Are we there yet?
It's been like a bajillion years.
Excuse me, I will turn this spacecraft around. It's only been 40,000 years. Do you want to go home?
No.
This trip is so not worth it. Just to go to the first Disneyland in space.
The limits of technology are another problem. Rockets require a lot of fuel to propel them through space. The aforementioned long distances between celestial objects means that the kind of travel in science fiction movies would require immense and extremely expensive amounts of propellant, an amount that is not only impractical but pretty much inconceivable at this point in time. And then there's energy. Even if we found a way to propel a rocket without propellant, it would require a huge amount of energy, in quantities that we cannot currently conceive of generating for space travel. There are several loopholes in the theory of relativity which would make interstellar travel much more practical. These are the loopholes which science fiction movies and TV shows use to make their stories work.
This is how hyperspace works.
You can go from dimension A to dimension B to get to your destination quicker.
There you go.
Warp drive relies on the notion that space-time itself may be able to move faster than the speed of light. Warp drive could hypothetically function much like a moving sidewalk. If we could create a moving section of space-time and travel in that section, then a ship could potentially move faster than it would otherwise be able to travel, possibly faster than the speed of light.
This is how a wormhole works. This is point A, and this is point B, and this is the distance between them. With a wormhole, the distance is shortened, which is now the length of the pen between point A and point B. These are possible futuristic solutions to successfully achieve interstellar travel. One is by using a substance called antimatter, but antimatter is complicated to get large amounts of.
So, for our spacecraft, which model should we use? The Daedalus?
My parents don't let me play with nuclear fusion without supervision. We could try the laser sail idea.
I'm grounded from using the laser sail since we got caught tanning with it, remember?
Oh yeah. There's always the Orion and Ramjet models.